In this video, I will show you how to change your Samsung navigation bar. First, open settings, then go to display. After that, swipe down until you see navigation bar. Tap on it, and here you can choose between the normal buttons navigation bar or the swipe gestures. And also, you can choose between different options in each mode. For example, you can choose between swipe from bottom or swipe from sides and bottom. And also you can modify the sensitivity. Also you can enable or disable the gesture hint, which enables you. Also you can choose to enable or disable gesture hint, which enables you to swipe left or right for switching apps. And for the buttons options, yeah, you can choose between this type or this type. That's it. Subscribe for more Samsung tips.